So this is it. This is what I've been aiming for. My whole life, I've started, abandoned habits over and over again, never really realizing what I was chasing. I think this is it. I think I've been chasing nature. I think it's part of the equation to my happiness. Can't really see how it's not. Like, look at it. It's just magnificent. So, I think I'm gonna do everything in my power to get closer to nature for me, but for my children too. And I don't understand how not everybody aims for this, even if it's just gardening, snowboarding, hiking, swimming in a lake, putting your feet in a river. I think I'm getting close to something now.